This video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the scary pop-ups that come from the site Ijony.click. Ijony.click is a junk and truly deceptive site. It attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It claims to be some security alert, mentioning that your computer is infected with 5 viruses. But these pop-ups are fake and deceptive. The point is that such pop-ups are fake security alerts. They are not related to Google, Chrome or any other browsers. Such pop-ups try to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. So don't trust these pop-ups, don't interact with them. I would also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.